Let's be honest, no one likes to fail. It's a universal feeling, a sharp, unwelcome sting that cuts deep. It's the project that gets rejected, the business that doesn't take off, the goal that remains just out of reach. In that moment, the world can feel like it's closing in. The silence after the bad news is deafening. It hurts, it stings, and it whispers insidious lies, making you question your abilities, your intelligence, your very worth. But what if failure wasn't the end of your story? What if it was the necessary, albeit painful, beginning? What if we saw it not as a verdict, but as a vital piece of data? Every successful person you admire has a deep and intimate relationship with failure. They have failed more times than you can imagine, often more times than they've succeeded. Their stories aren't defined by a lack of setbacks, but by their response to them. Think of the inventor with 1,000 failed prototypes, the author with a drawer full of rejection letters, the entrepreneur whose first ventures went bankrupt. Failure is not proof you can't do it. It's undeniable proof that you are in the arena, that you are trying. Each mistake is a masterclass that success can never offer. It teaches you what doesn't work, forcing you to innovate. It builds a resilience you didn't know you had. It teaches you how to adapt, how to persevere, and ultimately, how to rise. So, what do you do? First, allow yourself to feel the disappointment. Don't live there. Then, reflect. What was the lesson? What can you adjust? This isn't about blame. It's about analysis. Next, adjust your plan. Iterate. Don't just try again. Try differently. Use the new information to build a better strategy. Small, manageable step forward. Celebrate that small win. It's the fuel for the next step. Failure doesn't define you. It refines you. It's the fire that forges steel. It carves you into a stronger, wiser, and more capable version of yourself. Embrace it as part of the process. Your breakthrough might be just on the other side of this setback. Keep going.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.